Hey guys, so for daily recap today, there's no daily recap yesterday, as you guys know, it's the Memorial Day. Okay, it's a a pretty special day today. So basically, OEG is the leading gapper today. It came out of nowhere. I was in another play, so it slowly crawled up, and I got in quite late. So basically, I only made one play for OEG. Like it was the icing on the cake for me. Then open, I see I was trying to buy it to break the previous high, so got in here, sold off here. Yeah, I mean, a small piece of the watermelon is better than a full grape. So yeah, I will probably skip this, as in I will not see anymore since you probably got paid here. This is my last trade. Then this is the interesting part, AMC. So ignore is pretty messy. So just ignore the all the drawings. I started my day pretty early today. You can see I mean the chart previously was looking like that. I see there's some movement for AMC and you can see it's at 4. I got I didn't went out today, so plus not trading yesterday. I kind of missed stock, so I started pretty early. As you can see, it was going up. Thought this might be deep, forming a wedge ABCD. So got in here, and it kind of stagnant. It dropped down. However, I didn't care. Wanted to buy into the open. As you can see, it dropped down even more. Forgot. I think this was from the previous day or something. I couldn't remember. I had these resistance lines here, and it kind of respected it. So I sold off here. Uh, got in around 28.50. Sold off around 28.80 or 35 cent. 35-cent move. Uh, yeah, as you can see, I thought it would just fade off, which it didn't. I thought it would just reach the view up. So apparently it took a turn and it went out without me, but at least I got my profit. So yeah, hindsight is always 2020. It looked like I should have held it, but it felt like a pretty good move here. Got in here, was hoping this could be that deep to break this resistance line, and basically this was the previous high, kind of held here, so I'm okay. This was a flush, no idea what's that, but doesn't matter. Kind of show that it had strength. So got in here, got out here, pretty nice. However, here I remember the volume was pretty low. Like I could see people losing interest, and I felt that it was slowly fade. That's what I think. So I sold off here. Like thankfully somehow I managed to sell off at the top. Then this period of time is like a scalper's dream. So by I was out of this. But however, look, it went really high. Like basically this, as you can see, the highest was now. This was the highest, 36.72. So basically, it's supposed to be clear sky, blue sky. Sort of it need to open, but I believe it will still continue to go up. However, I got my daily goal. I'm trying to train not over trade. As you can see, I this is a pretty awesome period to trade, which I didn't. Just trying to hold on to my lead. So yeah, I mean it might continue to go up if it really breaks. Let's say this. If let's say it breaks the 33 mark, then it will be pretty interesting. Yesterday high was 36.70. Pretty good play, but I'm done for the day. Another one was VT and let's see. Okay, so same thing for got in pretty early. I think on 416. Oh no, it's 411. Got in here, got out here. Pretty nice ABCD wedge, however you wanna call it. And it kind of stall here, build up, then bam, went up. Double top 1150. Triple top actually. Yeah, so basically I was out of it. This period of time I was at AMC, and yeah, as you can see, it kind of went up and went down again. So yeah. Other than that, CLDR okay. This was a pretty huge float stock, so just I like it because it appeared in the scanner. SNDR, I believe, quite a lot of my friends was in this. Like, although it has this barcode pattern, but the movement is actually pretty decent. As you can see, it's like 102 and it went up to 14 around 5. Yeah, around 530. Pretty decent, but not my kind of play. Like AKBA was another thing. I think if I'm not wrong, it had some news, but this is why I don't follow news. I basically just trade the chart. It probably kind of hit the 200 MA, I feel. Now I can't play too. So that's why today I was only in AMC, BTNR, and also that OEG, which I deleted it off because I don't want to play it anymore. Got this move and I'm happy with it. So there's potential for it. Actually, yeah, I'll just leave it. There's potential for it to go like 90% or maybe 120%. So see how it goes. If let's say the movement and volume is strong, I'll just take a look at it. Yeah, so basically today I played OEG, AMC, VTNR. Most of them are in the pre-market. Like, I don't usually play pre-market. Like, usually, I mean, this I started at 4 and it's something new. Can see that the market is slowly hitting back up. So, yeah, so if let's say OEG can cross 630, it'll be pretty nice. However, there should be some war around this period. 637. I just leave it on watch. So yeah, and I'll just go through the other stuff in my watch list. So Gemmy, sorry, I kind of saw up in the open, and most of the attention for watch bet. Oh yeah, this afternoon for me, but probably like 4 a.m. in the morning for you guys. So we start off with a team of bio and also some watch bet. So those stickers was popping. The Gemmy was one. It was slowly getting some momentum, but most of the attention is at AMC as usual. Ticket, nothing much. Yeah, probably will remove it unless there's some NFT news. But actually, I'll just remove it. SPS was previously had some action. However, I feel you might still. Yeah, actually. I'll just give SPS a pass to MBS. I kept it because it really gave me a lot of returns previously. It's kind of same thing as SCPS. Seems like it has the habit to pop fade, so I'll leave it here. AMBS, SBS or delete ticket delete. LEDS, MOSY. MOSY has some movement today. I would say it's worth watching. I really think MOSY is worth watching. If it starts curling back up here, I think it's a safe ad. You can breeze off around 560. Yeah, worth watching. BTX. Yep, I think around this period of time, one of my friends said BTX might be worth watching, but I was in the MS, so I think it's kind of far. So to me, this is a safe ad, but by the time you guys see this video, it might be around here, or who knows. We kind of chase. Our one thing is don't chase. RHE usually moves off BTX, so if BTX go, RHE will go. OCGN was pretty nice. But the thing about OCGN is it always looks good and then bam, looks good, drop, looks good, drop, looks good, drop. Yeah, so I'll keep on watch. OCGN is good for a short scalp. If not, yeah. Nokia has some decent news. If I didn't remember wrongly. However, that was a peak at 25 and basically going to barcode mode. So ITP, yeah, I think ITP has some decent news, 3 decent news. One is positive earning. They had some masking and some other thing. Supposed to be a low risk high reward app is alright. PT still is alright. Just keep it on watch. AMS, yeah, okay, so yeah, as you can see, OEG went into the hop. Might be worth watching, but I'm not sure if by the time you guys check this video, how will it go. I probably wouldn't play it since it's already 10, and I usually trade 9 to 10. However, if we went to another hot, I might enter small. However, just always remember the scale out, and yeah, that's all for today's review. Hope the weekend was awesome for you guys, and this the first day is June 1st, so just start off your mind right. Like give yourself a small green, even if it's like 1%, 2%, small green. At least you have some cushion to play into the month. Remember to always scale out. $100. If you scale out at $100, you think that you might go into 200, 300. Yeah, those amount might sounds good, right? But one thing to take note is if it went into like 50 and like let's say you break even at 0, like it will do a big part in your mental. And one thing I'm trying to like strengthen is to not trade, the discipline. Like this period of time I managed to not trade at all. However, into the market I did this trade and got out, which is pretty nice. Just respect your rule, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's daily recap. Hope it was a great day for you guys. Peace.